In this video, we will learn about has one filter and has one value function. So what is the difference between has one value and has one filter? So let's go to the documentation. The first one is the has one value. It returns true when the context for a column has been filtered down to one distinct value only. So it doesn't matter if the filter is the direct filter or it is indirect filter. If we are getting one value for the provided column, then it will return true, otherwise it will return false. On the other hand, has one filter returns true when we get one value based on the direct filter, otherwise it returns false. So let's try to learn this function with the help of examples. So first of all, we need to understand what is direct filter and what is indirect filter. So let me put some slicer here. For example, the first slicer is student name. So let's write two measures. Has one value and it is has one value, and the provided column name will be student name. And in the same way, we need another measure has one filter. Column name is student name. So these are the two measures. We just need to drag and drop to the report, and we will apply one card here, and the same for the has one value. So what is the direct filter? If I choose student 1, student 2 or any value here, this is the direct filter. And what is the indirect filter? I just need to copy and paste the same slicer, and here I will put student ID. For the student name column, the direct filter is the student name and the indirect filter is the student ID. We also need to add one more slicer for the location. So now we have the first one is the direct filter, the second one is the indirect filter, and the third one is the cross filter. Because the student ID and student name both are based on one table, and the location is another table. Here you can see we have location table. Location table is connected with the students, and students connected with the marks table. So according to the definition, first let's talk about the has one value. If I click student 1, then it will return true. And on the other hand, if I click on the indirect filter for the 2 or any value here, it is I'm getting the has one value is returning true. So what does this mean? Either we apply direct filter or the indirect filter or cross filter. For example, we have location ID 2. Here I'm getting one value here, and this has one value is returning true. So it doesn't matter if we are applying direct filter, indirect filter or the cross filter. If we are getting only one value within the provided column name, then has one value will return us true. So now let's talk about the has one filter. Has one filter only works with the direct filter. So if I click any value here, student name, it will return true. On the other hand, if I click indirect filter, any value here, it will return false, because has one filter only works with the direct filter and it also doesn't work with the cross filter. In both cases, it will will return false, either it is indirect filter or the cross filter. But on the other hand, has one value will return true if we are getting one value based on the indirect filter, direct filter, or the cross filter. So this is all about has one filter and has one value.